Hello, Vibrant Lifers. Hey, thank you for joining me for Smoothie Time. It is so cold here in Wyoming, you guys. Oh, it has warmed up to 14 degrees, and we've been in this cold front system for about a week now. But this is the last day before we warm up. So in honor of the last day of this cold front, I'm gonna make a warm smoothie for our smoothie time. And the recipe I've chosen is apple pie a la mode. So for this recipe, you're gonna need an apple and cinnamon, nutmeg, milk of your choice, some Shaklee Life Shake mix, and I'm gonna add a little bit extra pure vanilla. All right, so let's jump in. Say hi as you come on, okay? All right, so the first thing that I did was I warmed up my milk. Now you can use any milk of your choice. What I've been using is coconut milk, and so that's what this is. So let's add the coconut milk, and that's about a cup and a half of liquid. So any milk of your choice. Okay, the next thing we're going to add is some apple pieces. Okay, so I went ahead and I chopped these up into little bite-sized chunks. So that's about half of an apple. Any apple that you want. And depending on the power of your blender, cut it in smaller chunks, okay? And that'll just make it easier for your blender to get through it. All right, so the next thing we're gonna add is cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. There we go. And I just grabbed this cinnamon from Costco, and it lasts me a long time. And then the recipe calls for a pinch of nutmeg. Okay, so nutmeg is a very strong spice, so really just like a little bit in there. Okay, excellent. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the vanilla extract, just a couple little drops. Okay, and then our last ingredient is 2 scoops of the Shaklee Life Shake, which is French vanilla flavor. And that's a wholemeal replacement. Tastes delicious. All right, you guys, we are ready to mix. All right, so let's blend this up and let's make it, it's gonna be warm, and we're gonna add enough air in there that it's gonna be nice and frothy too. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. The longer you let it blend, it's going to add more air to it, make it more frothy. See that? Apologize for the noise that that blender makes, but this new blender is actually not as noisy as my old one. Oh, can you see the steam? Oh, it smells wonderful. All right, so let's go ahead and add it to our glass. Looks like I blended it enough. Yum. Let's add a straw. Give it a taste. That's very nice, warm and frothy apple pie a la mode for lunch. Okay, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hey, on Thursday at 1 p.m. Mountain Time, I am going to do a sneak peek of the brand new personal nutrition called Meology. We're going to do the assessment together, talk about why even do Meology. So join me Thursday at 1 p.m. Mountain Time. Okay, thanks for tuning in. See you later.